Hi everyone, it's Ginger Pierce with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and if you're wondering where to find the best cookie at Disney Springs, then this is the video for you. We're pitting Gideon's Bakehouse up against the brand new Summerhouse on the lake, so stick around to find out which cookie wins the Disney Springs cookie battle. Gideon's Bakehouse is a fan-favorite, iconic bakery at Disney Springs, so popular that it often has its own virtual queue. Gideon's is known for its unique flavors, especially its seasonal offerings, as well as their cold brews. Once inside, you'll notice that Gideon's is highly themed with a dark, mysterious, gothic vibe. Gideon's offers a variety of baked goods, including their colossal slices of cake, but what they're really known for are their cookies, which weigh in at almost half a pound. Summerhouse on the Lake is the new kid at Disney Springs, and in addition to having a full-service restaurant, they also offer a cookie bar, which you can enjoy with or without a reservation to the restaurant. This cookie bar offers a wide variety of baked goods to choose from, and the atmosphere is airy and pleasant. All right, so we have several cookies here from the bakery at Summerhouse on the Lake, and then we also have a classic chocolate chip cookie here from Gideon's Bakehouse. So we're going to try these kind of side by side to do a size comparison. We're obviously going to do a taste test and let you know which one we think comes out on top of the cookie battle. So let's get started. So first, let's dig into this Gideon's cookie right here. So it was a busy day in Disney Springs today, so we did obviously have to stand in the virtual queue, but once we actually got called back, it was pretty fast, and we went into the Bakehouse and we got to look at all their cookies. And here we have this amazing chocolate chip cookie. This is just their standard chocolate chip cookie. This thing is almost half a pound. You can see it is absolutely chocked full of chocolate chips. There's also a little bit of sea salt on here. This is a really, really good looking cookie. Oh, look at that cross section right there. That is beautiful. So to make sure that this was a fair apples to apples comparison, we ordered a chocolate chip from the Bakehouse or Summerhouse on the Lake. We ordered some other flavors too, but for the purposes of the video, we're just going to be testing this amazing chocolate chip cookie. Now I'll kind of slide the Gideon's one back together so you can see that, looking at them, these are pretty comparable in size. This one obviously has chocolate chunks instead of chocolate chips. Not anywhere near as many chocolate chips, but depending on how much you like chocolate or don't, that could be a good or a bad thing. So here is the front of this one. Here's the back of it. Really good smelling, good looking cookie. All right, here comes our cross section. Oh yeah, look at that. It's also pretty beautiful. So we were going to do a blind taste test, but as you can tell, as soon as you pick this one up, you're going to know which one is the Gideon's cookie. So we obviously aren't going to do that. We're just going to do a regular taste test. So I'm going to start with this Summerhouse on the Lake chocolate chip cookie. Actually, I'm going to get a piece right here out of the center. All right, here we go. Let's test this out. It's a really good chocolate chip cookie. So that was a really, really good bite. That is a moist chocolate chip cookie. It has a really great texture. It's a nice balance of chocolate to the surrounding, brown sugar and flour and everything else that's in a chocolate chip cookie. So that was really, really good. In fact, I would say that if you are a chocolate lover, I think you're going to be really happy with the amount of chocolate that's in this one, because I could definitely taste those chocolate chunks in there. So that was a really, really good cookie. All right, let's move on now to the Gideon's cookie. And I'll try to get a piece from the middle. just like I did with the Summer House on the Lake cookie. It's all right. Okay. Let me tell you. I did not expect to like this one as well because this one has way more chocolate, and I thought the chocolate was going to overpower every other flavor. This, in my opinion, is the better chocolate chip cookie. Actually, because I feel like I taste more than just chocolate. I felt that the chocolate flavor of this one was a little bit more prominent than the other flavors. With this, I tasted the gooey butteriness. I tasted sea salt. This is a phenomenal cookie. Like, this is so, so good. So my personal pick between the two is easily, hands down, this Gideon's Bakehouse cookie. So we are super, super excited to go back and get some more flavors in the future. Also to try some more flavors. Both of these are excellent cookies, but if I'm choosing which one wins the cookie battle, I'm going to give it to Gideon's. So my husband, Evan, is now going to give his review because why have just one person's opinion when you can have two? So which one are you going to start with, Ev?
The Summer House on the Lake cookie. Good cookie.
Now, you are not a huge chocolate fan. Do you feel like it has a pretty strong chocolate flavor?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
I love chocolate chip cookies. That's really good. To really go back and get some more of that. This one's intimidating.
It is a little intimidating. It's all the chocolate chips, but just taste it. Tell me what you think.
That's a good cookie right there. I'm telling you.
It's a very good cookie. Like, that's the thing. There's not a bad cookie out of the two.
Oh, snap. It's pretty good and good right there. Man, if I had to pick one.
Yep.
All right, so purely on taste, actually I think I'd pick this one.
Oh, okay.
The Summer House, because there's so much chocolate in this one. But that is really good. There's like saltiness.
Yeah, it's the sea salt that's on top of it.
That's the best part of it. My opinion is so good.
Yep.
But I think this is important too. Another bit of, like the Summer House one is more of like a traditional kind of cookie, you know, you're thinking of. If you think of a cookie. That, I love the uniqueness of it, and I love that sea salt on it. It's so good. But I think this comes into play too. Like if you got chocolate on your hands and stuff after eating it, I mean, I guess you can eat the chocolate off your hands too, but I think that's part of it, you know, if your overall cookie experience. But it's good. I can tell you Emily right now. It's real good, but that was real good.
The fact that our Disney Springs cookie battle ended in a tie just proves that you really can't go wrong if you're looking for a great cookie at Disney Springs. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe to my channel. And for more information about my complimentary vacation planning services, visit my blog at gingermmt.com. Booking with me is the same price as booking directly with Disney. Again, I'm Ginger Pierce with Marvelous Mouse Travels. Thank you for watching.